We are gonna go over how we teach our patients to foam roll the quads. So quad is a fairly big muscle for most people. And the way I like to teach patients and clients is to break up those bigger muscles into 3 parts, okay? So we're gonna have the part closest to our knee, which is gonna be our lower part. We're gonna have the middle of the thigh, and then the very top part of the thigh, which is very close to like your hip flexor, okay? We wanna avoid rolling on bone, that's gonna hurt, okay? So I'm gonna take my foam roller. If you only have a short one, you're just gonna break this into 2 parts, okay? So you'll do one leg, low, middle, and high, and then the other leg, low, middle, and high. But we have a longer one, makes it a little bit easier. So we're gonna lay on the foam roller very softly, okay? And I'm gonna start on that lower part, okay? So the part closest to my knee. I'm gonna use my forearms as kind of a balancing and short, very controlled motions. You'll see a lot of people going like this, kind of really big, broad motions. We don't wanna do that. We wanna be purposeful and intentful, okay? So I'm gonna stay about 30 to 60 seconds on this low part. If this is doing enough for you, great, hang out. If you found like a trigger point or something, think about rolling up and down and also from side to side, okay? And this is basically mimicking or simulating your doctor's hands. So we're simulating self-massage, or we're doing self-massage. So after about 30 to 60 seconds, I'm gonna move down on the roller to that middle part, okay? Same kind of deal, very slow up and down. If it doesn't hurt you, you can move your legs up and down like this, okay? If anything hurts, don't do it. Up and down, side to side, okay? 30 to 60 seconds. Or just do 10 up and downs and 10 left to rights. That'll probably put you at about 30 to 60 seconds. After we've done the middle part, our last part, we're gonna do the very top. So we don't wanna roll again on any bone or our hips. We wanna stay kind of on that fleshy part of the muscle right here. 30 to 60 seconds. And that is how we foam roll our quads.